interrupt our regular programming to activate the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Collin County, Dallas County, and southeastern Denman County in north central Texas until 10:45 a.m. this morning. At 7:44 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing are expected to begin shortly. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Rowlett, DeSoto, and Wiley. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. This concludes this activation of the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System.